How to stop your iPhone from updating. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to General as shown. Then, go to Software Update. You can view the available software downloads over here. As you can see, your phone is already up to date. Here, go to Automatic Updates at the top. Go to the iOS Update section and turn off the automatically download feature as shown. This will stop any software update from automatically downloading, and you will be notified when software updates are ready to be downloaded. After that, go to the System Files section below and turn off the automatically install feature. Following these steps, you can easily stop your iPhone from updating. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.